everybody. I'm Dr. Ankit Jha. I'm a dental surgeon practicing in Indirapuram, Ghaziabad. And I made this video to talk about how you can check your child's teeth at home without any fancy dental equipment and what you can expect to find. So, first of all, how do you actually check your child's teeth at home? It's fairly simple. All you need to do is ask them to open their mouth. So, suppose these are your child's upper teeth. First, look at the top surface of all the teeth. Then look at the sides. You can pull their cheeks apart and take a look. Then you can check on the inside. The same way you can do it for the lower teeth as well. Now, what do you actually expect to find inside? First of all, you might find black or brown cavities like these. In this case, you need to plan a visit to the dentist for their treatment. Then, if you leave them as they are and avoid the dental visit, then you will find a more severe case of tooth decay, and it is possible that the teeth have already dissolved and only the roots are left. In this case also, you need to visit a dentist, but on priority. This will require a more invasive treatment than the previous stage. Now, again, if you leave it at that and think that the teeth are about to fall off anyway, so why bother? Or that it can be managed without professional help, then the decay will evolve into this. There might be pain, swelling, or even pus. In this case, you need to visit a dentist and start the treatment as soon as possible, preferably on the same day, because we consider this as a dental emergency. The next thing you might see are gum problems. So, for this, you need to observe the neck of the teeth, the junction where the gums meet the teeth. If you see deposits there, then the gum infection has already started, and it can be in the initial stages or an advanced stage depending on the amount of deposits present. This gum infection is called gingivitis. Now, again, if you ignore this stage, then it evolves into periodontitis, which is the infection of the bone. As you can see in this picture, the gum has receded and the bone has dissolved in this region. Now, something that's important here is that even if you don't see deposits in the front teeth, they can be present at the back side of the front teeth, as you can see in this dental mirror in the picture. In this case, all you need to do is just crane your neck a little and look at the back side. It will be visible without a dental mirror as well. Now, the last thing that you might see are stains like this. To be honest, this is not a dental disease, but more of an indicator of bad oral hygiene. And this is not as commonly seen as the other problems discussed earlier, but still this is a problem that requires professional help. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. If you want to talk to us about your child's dental problem, please feel free to schedule an online consultation on this WhatsApp number. If you're at or near Ghaziabad, please feel free to take an appointment and meet us whenever needed. If there are any other dental issues you want me to make a video on, then please do let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Have a nice day.